also Vardhanti of Guru Maharaj. Yesterday only somebody called me from Jammu. He inquired about you are in Mysuru and you are at the right feet of Swamiji, who have been visiting after 1990 exodus of Kashmiri Pandits to Jammu. And one Mr. T.N. Vanchu was the chief engineer, and you used to visit his house frequently, and some Wali Saab called me yesterday. So we have a high connection with you. I didn't know about that. Yes, Junior Swamiji came to our LOC Titwal temple. It's not matter of temple only, it's matter of Sharda civilization. When we say Namaste Sharde Devi Kashmir Pravasni, Toham Prathe Nityam Vidyadhanam Jidehi. So Kashmir Vasni means Sharda, what we believe, these are three virgin sisters. Like Vaishno Devi in Jammu, this Sharda, Narda and Vagdevi, goddess of knowledge and wisdom. Whatever we are discussing and listening to all these high intellectuals out here, this is all due to Sharda Mata. And Narda, the goddess of music or the other form of Saraswati. And Vagdevi, the goddess of speech. Now, unfortunately, we have been very weak, I should say, even during the present circumstances also, that the temple which is closed and which is in ruins like this, since 1948, the last door was closed by my Param Guru Swami Nandalalji of Srinagar, who maintained and managed this site, Sharda Sarvagnya Peeth, where Adi Shankaracharya gave rebirth to Sanatana. I should tell you, I am Ravinder today here because of Adi Shankaracharya. Otherwise, my name would have been Nipsek Dorji, I would have been a Buddhist. The way Buddhists took over our Kashmir Mandala, the way Buddhists took our Sharda Desh, which used to be from Cambodia up to Iran, that Sharda University which was destroyed as a cultural democide, there was nothing like Somnath to be looted by Islamic invaders. And how quietly Vidyaranyaji Maharaj carried that sandalwood murti in 14th century from Sharda Peeth, which now lies in POK, to Shingeri Math. And I had to rediscover that sandalwood murti again back in 2015, searching out that which Madrasi Babaji, which Madrasi Shankaracharya took our murti and kept in south. So we used to say in Kashmir, Madrasi to every south person, without knowing who is Malayali, who is Telugu, who is Kannada and all that. So I had to virtually rediscover it in Vidyaranya temple, which is still lying there. And now, since one of the routes of going to Sharda Peeth, which is in POK now, the Chadi Mubarak route, the official route, used to be from Titwal, because that point would connect to the Muzaffarabad, and Hindus from Pakistan. My Param Guru's Guru, Swami Lalji, they used to come from Lealpur, which is now Faisalabad in Pakistan. Hindus from Pakistan would come via Muzaffarabad to Titwa, have a 2-day, 3-day break out here as a base camp, then move ahead towards Sharda Peeth, which used to be a 7-day yatra. Now I discovered it back in 2021. Once my permit to travel to Sharda Peeth was rejected by our government, the shame that our government rejects the permission, and while as they opened 2 yatras for our Sikh brothers, Nankana Sahib, the birthplace of Guru Nanak, already the yatra is going on for several decades. The another one, Kartarpur, the death place of Guru Nanak, that is Kartarpur. They opened it in 2019. And I was the first Kashmiri Pandit, first non-Sikh in the first Jatha to travel to Kartarpur. So 24th November, Pakistan is clearing me to travel, India is clearing me to travel, but Swamiji, my travel permit for Sharda Peeth is rejected. If I can visit Kartarpur, why not Sharda Peeth? Our religious rights are vitiated. It's a very long story. Nowhere in any conflict zone. Let's take it on the face of it. Pakistan says it's a conflict zone. Some Indian people also say, some leftists say yes, conflict. Okay, I agree. But tell me, nowhere in any conflict zone prayer has stopped even for a day. Be it Al-Aqsa Mosque, be it the Church of Turkey, be it at some other place. Why Sharda Peeth is closed since 1948? I wrote to Pakistan government. I am in constant touch with Pakistan government, our government. I have met almost all the ministers, including up to PM. Nothing is being done. So we have to raise a voice. All Sanatanis have to be one. Keeping aside what is the name of the Math, where is the Math stood. I am connected to all the four Shankaracharyas. And this temple which we resurrected in 2021 at Titwar right on LOC, all alone facing internal threats, facing external threats, we are fired upon by Pakistani Rangers in 2024 in June during Varshik Abhishek. So we should not get deterred. Somebody is the chosen one. Maybe I am here because Mata, which was taken back by Vidya Rangniya Shankaracharya from Kashmir in 14th century, the same Mata is now back to Kashmir Purvasni after 700 years, given by Bharati Kirtaji Maharaj, and we carry the idol Pratima to Titwal, and Titwal temple is open. To cut it short, I make a humble request that we have to show our existence. There are a lot of enemies around, within and outside. Our existence would be that Sharda being the Ishta Devi, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. And I feel a lot of South people have shown interest. I'm thankful to you, but still a lot needs to be done. You people have to come. Our Swamiji came there, he reached there at 8 p.m. in the night. He has himself seen what sort of scene is there. There is not a single Hindu, not a single Sikh out there. And still we are maintaining that that temple is running, and even Operation Sindoor, all the temples and Gurdwaras closed during the skirmishes of 8-9 days India and Pakistan. This was the only temple, Titwal temple, which functioned normally. And we tried our best to do that. So to preserve Sharda civilization, to preserve Sharda Lipi, आकाशवाणी से ब्राह्मी लिपि से शारदा लिपि आई, शारदा लिपि से ही Tibetan, Gurumukhi, Sara, Devanagari, even Urdu after Nastalik was written in Sharda Lipi. Now where is Sharda Lipi gone? तो हम लोगों को ही उठना पड़ेगा. We are doing a bit about Sharda Lipi. Sharda University has to be set up. Even during the course of my struggle since 2006, I am struggling for it. We have got 4 universities in J&K which were presented by University Grants Commission from central government. Why not Sharda University? We should do it even across. I have a civil society. The photographs you see, you can open the net. This photograph, this shows flowers laid on Sharda Peeth ruins. This is done by Muslims out there. I have about 150 supporters there also. So they do a regular puja. We have supporters now here also this side, but we are facing a lot of constraints, but we are working on it. It's an experimental stage. All of you are invited to come. Please reach Srinagar, and from Srinagar, there's no difficulty. There's a website, shardakashmir.com. You are welcome to the Sharda temple. And I am very thankful that today this organization, Gurudata organization, recognized our effort, because Swamiji has himself seen what all we have done and what all needs to be done. So we should be all there as a Sanatani, and we should see that Sharda is reopened back again. And Jai Sharda to you all. Jai Sharda.